Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Rajnikant and today's video will gonna discuss a Java 8 stream based interview question. Okay, so let's see. So the question is like this way. We have person class and we have different person objects. So we need to group by those person using name, and if the name is same, then we need to find the summation of their ages. Okay, for example, here one person is John is there, and here another person John is there. So here the name is same. Okay, so in this case we need to have key as a John in a map and value as the summation of their ages 25 and 30, so it should be 55. Okay, so we need to group by name, and if names are same, then we need to sum their ages. Okay, hope you got a idea that what exactly this question is. Group by name and sum of the age with the same name. Okay, so let me show you that what exactly this person class. So this person class is having three attributes: name, age and email, and public constructor getters and setters. Okay, now let's see how we can achieve this one using Java 8 streams. Person list dot stream. So first what we need to do, we need to group by name. Simple, collect and insert collectors dot grouping by. Okay, and here what we need to do, on what basis we need to group. So name based, right? So what we can do here, person get name, and next what we need to do, we need to summation, we need to sum the age. Okay, if the person having same name. So for that one what we can do, collectors dot, okay my bad, so collectors dot, so here if you see summing int is there, and in summing int what we need to pass, we need to pass person get age. Okay, so this is the logic. So first it will group by person name, and then it will collect those values by summing their ages. If multiple person with same names are there, then it will sum. So it will return a map. Then let's hold this result in a map. In map what will get, string and integer map age, person map age, person map age. Okay, alt enter, it will take that map, util map. Okay, now let's iterate this one and we're gonna print. We'll see what exactly it's coming. Person dot, what we'll get, entry set, and let's for each, and for each will get key and value, and let's have this lambda, and I think entry set means we'll get, let me see, map.entry will get, right? So here individual things will get, so this will be m will take map.entry and we'll apply here system dot out dot println key plus m dot get key, okay, plus value, okay, name will take here, key means name, no, and age plus m dot get value, okay. So now let's run this one and we'll gonna see. So let's first discuss what will the output for here. So John, and so it will print John with 30 and 25, 55. Son two times is there, Son, and here 51 it will print. So John 55, Son 51, and the rest of the things, those names are not duplicated. So it will print Ranjan 27, Sarika 17, Roshan 19, and Ranjan 14. Okay. So let's run and we're gonna see those outputs. We'll see here. So nowadays in interview, you will be getting asked these types of Java 8 based stream operation interview questions. So just practice a few of these questions. You will get a idea that how we can do these things. So it's getting compiled and let's see the output. So just see, John is having one time, okay, and Son is having one time, 55 and 51, okay. So we get the correct output, okay. Yeah, so thank you for watching guys, have a nice day and do subscribe my channel as well, okay, thanks.